Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Japan is known for having one of the highest numbers of people living past 100 years old. But what makes this even more fascinating is that many of these individuals remain active, independent, and energetic well into their later years. They continue walking, doing daily tasks, and enjoying life with remarkable vitality. So what's their secret? While diet and lifestyle play a big role, one habit stands out in particular: daily stretching and gentle movement. In Japanese culture, maintaining flexibility is considered essential for long-term health and independence. Today on Health Fact 10M, we're exploring 7 simple stretches commonly practiced in Japan that can help keep the body mobile, balanced, and resilient as the years go by. Before we begin, tell us in the comments your name and how long you've been exercising or stretching regularly. Let's get started. 1. Cobra Stretch. The Cobra Stretch is widely used to help counteract one of the biggest problems of modern life: long hours of sitting. Many office workers spend most of their day in chairs, which can put pressure on the lower back and spine. In busy cities like Tokyo and Osaka, where desk jobs are common, this stretch has become a popular way to help relieve stiffness and encourage better posture. The movement gently extends the spine, opening the chest and activating muscles along the back. Regular practice may help reduce lower back tension, improve posture over time, encourage deeper breathing. To perform it, lie face down on the floor with your hands placed near your shoulders. Slowly press your palms into the ground and lift your chest while keeping your hips resting on the floor. Raise your torso only as far as feels comfortable. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid forcing the movement. One common mistake is lifting too high too quickly. Instead, move slowly and allow flexibility to develop gradually. 2. Wall calf stretch. This stretch is particularly popular among older adults in Japan who enjoy daily walks. It focuses on the calf muscles, which play an important role in helping blood circulate from the legs back toward the heart. Because of this function, the calves are sometimes called the second heart of the body. Stretching this area regularly may help support healthy circulation, improved ankle mobility, better walking stability. To try it, stand facing a wall about an arm's length away. Place your hands on the wall. Step 1 foot forward and extend the other leg behind you. Keep the back leg straight and the heel pressed firmly into the floor while you gently lean forward. Hold the stretch for around 20 to 30 seconds. A common mistake is lifting the heel or bending the back leg, which reduces the effectiveness of the stretch. 3. Pigeon stretch. The pigeon stretch is known for helping release tightness in the hips, an area that often becomes stiff due to sitting for long periods. In Japan, many people adopt this stretch to help maintain hip mobility, which is essential for daily movements like walking, standing, and bending. Flexible hips can support better balance, easier movement, reduced stiffness with age. To perform it, start on your hands and knees. Bring one knee forward toward your hand on the same side while extending the other leg behind you. Lower your hips slowly toward the floor while keeping your chest lifted and spine long. Avoid forcing the hips down. Instead, find a comfortable stretch and breathe calmly. If you feel pressure in the knee, placing a cushion under the hip can make the position more comfortable. 4. Downward facing dog. This classic stretch works several muscle groups at the same time, which is why it's widely practiced in fitness routines around the world. It stretches the entire backside of the body, including the calves, hamstrings, glutes, and spine, while also strengthening the shoulders and arms. To do it, start on your hands and knees. Lift your hips upward while straightening your legs, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press your hands firmly into the ground and allow your heels to move toward the floor. Your head should stay relaxed between your arms. Focus on distributing your weight evenly between your hands and feet. Deep breathing during this stretch can also help promote relaxation. 5. Cat-cow stretch. This gentle sequence is widely used to keep the spine mobile and flexible. In Japan, maintaining spinal movement is considered important for healthy aging, since the spine plays a major role in posture, balance, and overall mobility. The movement alternates between rounding and arching the back. To perform it, begin on your hands and knees. As you inhale, slowly arch your back downward while lifting your head and tailbone. This is the cow position. As you exhale, round your spine upward and lower your head toward the floor. This is the cat position. Move slowly and connect each motion with your breathing. This stretch helps encourage gentle movement in the vertebrae and may reduce stiffness caused by long hours of sitting. 6. Butterfly stretch. The butterfly stretch focuses on opening the hips and stretching the inner thighs. In Japan, children often learn this stretch early in life as part of school exercise routines, helping develop flexibility from a young age. To try it, sit on the floor with your back straight. Bring the soles of your feet together and allow your knees to fall outward. Hold your feet or ankles with your hands. The key is to keep your spine upright instead of leaning forward excessively. Let gravity gradually guide your knees downward rather than forcing them. With steady breathing, you'll feel a gentle stretch in the inner thighs and hips. 7. Child's pose. The final stretch is one of the most relaxing. Child's pose is often used as a moment of recovery between exercises, and it reflects an important principle found in Japanese wellness philosophy: balance between effort and rest. To perform it, kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels. Slowly fold your upper body forward until your forehead touches the floor. You can extend your arms forward or rest them beside your legs. Allow your shoulders and neck to completely relax. Focus on slow, deep breathing while the back gently lengthens. This stretch provides a calming pause for both the body and mind. These 7 stretches represent a simple but powerful idea found in many Japanese wellness traditions: consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need long workouts or complicated routines. Just a few minutes of gentle stretching each day can support mobility, flexibility, and overall comfort as you age. If you practice these movements regularly, they may help you stay active, balanced, and independent for many years to come. Here on Health Fact 10M, we love sharing practical health insights that help people take small steps toward better well-being.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.